Hey everyone, Mike DiDonato from Fiamma Canada, and today we're going to be running a milk system clean on the Jura Giga 6. What you're going to need to complete this process: Jura milk cleaning tablets and the milk cleaning container. After you prepared a milk-based drink, the machine will ask you to clean the milk system. You don't have to do it after every drink, but we do recommend you do it at the end of every evening. To start this process, you're going to enter the maintenance menu and select Clean the Milk System. At this stage, you're going to take your container, dispense 1 shot of tablets into the second chamber, and add a little bit of warm water up into the line. Once the tablets have dissolved, you then can connect the tube to the container and click Start. The machine will then draw that solution through the foamer and dispense it into the first chamber. Once that process is done, it will ask you for fresh water. You're then going to take the container, give it a quick rinse, add fresh water, and reconnect the tube. Once that's done, it will pull the fresh water through, flush the milk frothers, and you've finished the cycle. Thanks for watching how to clean the milk system on the Jura Giga 6. Don't forget to follow us on Instagram at Fiamma_Canada for some cool content, and please visit our website www.fiamma.ca for all your maintenance product needs.